Hello and good evening. My name is Brianna Kenny, and tonight we're going to be talking about the causes of the French Revolution. So, what was the French Revolution? When did it occur? And why did it happen? So, the French Revolution occurred during the period of Enlightenment. Now, this is where philosophers and thinkers were trying to figure out questions of freedom. Who is free? What is freedom? What rights do we have? And also, the French Revolution itself saw the end to monarchy and the creation of a new government. It was championed by the people and peasants, but in all reality, it was actually led by thinkers and nobles who were kind of in the background running things. So now that we know what the French Revolution was, let's figure out its causes. Cause number one. This was the very beginning cause, I believe. So this had to do with France's debt. So France was in a lot of debt. It was in trouble because it had spent way too much money, mostly on war. So it had spent a lot of money on the 7 Years' War and the American Revolution. This placed them deep, deep, deep in debt. So the king had to find a way to get more money, but because he couldn't levy taxes on the nobles, this caused a lot of strain on France as the Third Estate ended up with the short end of the stick. Now, our second cause was actually a patch of bad weather. So, France had a drought and then crazy storms, which caused a famine. Now, this affected the peasants the most because this affected the wheat, and the wheat made bread, which was their main staple. So you had a bunch of angry peasants because they had nothing to eat. Now, the third cause, which I think was kind of the final nail in the coffin, was the Estates General. So the king calls the Estates General, which is supposed to include all three estates. However, the third estate was locked out, which was with all the peasants. Now, as you can see in this photo, this is them in the tennis court, and this is them making the famous tennis court oath. Now, this was the final straw for most of them. Now, in finishing, what is important to remember about this lecture was the main causes: bad weather, war, which led to heavy spending, the inability to levy taxes, food shortages. These were all major causes. Think about how these individual issues built up to what was the French Revolution. And have a good night.